Hi everybody, this is Karina from Plan and Love, and in this video I'm going to show you how you're able to find and edit and download the details cards from our website here. So what you're going to want to do is head over to the Plan and Love website and find your way to the navigation bar, which can be located up here. You're going to find the stationery and signs section and go down to the detail cards here. It's just in the kind of the top area. So now we have wedding detail stationery. So this provides your guests with all the important details about your wedding day with our customizable wedding details stationery. So from the schedule of events to dress code, customize it all. So this is basically just where you can tell your guests about transport, accommodations, anything that they would need to know prior to the big day here. So we have a few options to look through here. They range from free to $6.50 here, depending on what you're looking for. So we can go ahead and pick the ones that you like the best. I'm going to go ahead and do minimalist, modern, white and black, card stationery. Actually, sorry. I'm going to do this one instead, actually. I like the lilac, lavender, and plum details instead. So I'm going to go ahead and add that to cart. And then once you've picked everything you need, maybe you want a few options, you can go pick all those and then go ahead and check out here. And then once we're in our checkout section here, we can go to our billing details. And depending on whether you have purchased or they're free, you could also do a combination of both. We'll just get all your information here and put in your email address or a phone number. The email address is where we're actually going to be able to send you those links, those downloadable links where you can edit them yourself. So that's a super important thing to remember here. So again, my order, my product details, I want the lilac, lavender, and plum. Detail sheet, make sure that's all correct, and then I'm going to go ahead and place order here. So once my order has been received, I can go here, look at the products, and then also it will email me this entire sheet as well, but I can go here and go to download lavender plum details here. So this will send me to this PDF file, which I will open. And within this PDF file, I can see this is the template access here. So if I click the link below, it'll send me to this Canva sheet. So basically how this works is you are going to log in or create a free account with Canva, access your template via the link provided, so just this one up here, use the Use Template button to save a new copy of the template to your Canva account and begin editing. If the link provided does not open or you get some sort of error, please try a different browser. And again, there is just with this PDF file that we send with every downloadable link to Canva, we have kind of a Canva editor overview. This is for people who maybe aren't super familiar with Canva or entirely brand new thing for them. It's just a very quick step-by-step of things you can do and how you're able to edit that details card the way you want it to be. So we have editing texts, changing colors, changing layer positions, how you download files, adding a link, and then uploading images and stuff like that. And then down here we have grab your free bonuses. So we have, kind of like a special little freebie going on here, and then a little coupon for your next time that you shop with us here. So I'm not going to get into too much detail about how to use Canva in particular, but I will go over that editing process a little bit with you guys now. So again, this comes with every link, so you will have this for the future. So I'm going to go ahead and click to download here. And now we are in our Canva setting here. So as we can see, this is the details card that we purchased, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit use template for new design. I'm not going to hit new edit template, because I don't want to edit the standard template. I'm going to want to create a copy of this template for my own personal use here. So use template for new design. And then I'm going to want to go ahead and rename this file. So naming this file to something that I'm going to remember in the future, because copy of purple details is probably not something you're going to remember. And I say this in every video, but just remember it's super important to organize your files appropriately. So probably just name it, your name, your partner's name, wedding details list or invitation, whatever it is, just so you can remember it later for your files in your computer. So as we can see here, we have a lot of things going on here. And these are all editable, obviously. So we can go in and you can change the accommodations, you can change the transport, you can add other details. Maybe you don't have transport, maybe you need to let people know that it's, Uber, or you need to drive in where parking is, stuff like that. You can do dress codes, anything like that that would be important for your guests to know, you can add here. And it's just a simple click and delete, type, add new things, whatever you need to do here, it's available for you. And like I said, again, then you can go here, you can change the size of things, where they're located on the screen, stuff like that. So I'm just going to get ahead. Maybe I want this. Maybe I like it to look like that. You can do whatever you want for, obviously, the design of your own details card here. So I'm just going to go ahead and play around with this. Do something like that. Okay, so now that let's say I'm done, I love the way my details card looks, and I'm ready to print this. So I'm going to go ahead and go up to this share button here and hit download here. So if you're printing this and it's not just being sent out via email, you can go ahead and go PDF print. That's best for printing. And then you can print from home. You can send to a print shop, whatever you need to do. And that was where you would get that details list. So yes, that's basically how you go onto our Plan and Love website, where you can find the detail sheet or list, and how you can edit those. Thank you so much for watching.